Guys, welcome back to the rundown here at Top Gun, South Terre Haute, Indiana. My name is Alex. I'm here with Dave today. He is our inside Colt guy, so if you want to know anything Colt, this is the guy you talk to here at Top Guns. So today we're going to cover the brand new Anaconda from Colt. Now this is a version that you can actually get in a 6 or 8 inch barrel length. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay, so Dave, all in all, I'm going to give them the overview of what I'm looking at, but then I'm going to spin it over to you and you're going to tell me kind of what the difference is between a new one and an old one. So guys, let's go through this in the rundown. So you have a 44 mag, 6-shot capacity. You do have standard sights on the rear and a standard sight in the front, but it's easy to change out some of the things, and we'll get to that here on Dave's part on the front sight. Now if you look, it does have a Hogue style grip on the rear here. It's very comfortable with the finger grooves. And then on top, you have 2 small holes. Those are actually for your scope mount, so you can actually mount a scope right there if you do want to go hunting or something along those lines with it. Now Dave, I've told him what it is. I've told him the barrel lengths. I've told him the grips, all that good stuff. Tell us a little bit more in detail about what we're looking at. What makes this different, and what kind of upgrades have they given the new Anaconda?
Okay, the old Anaconda used coil springs, which were like what they used on the Mark III and the Mark V. Coil springs don't give you quite the trigger pull a leaf spring does. So on the new Anaconda, they've used leaf springs. It's essentially the same action as the Python, just larger. So you get more
It's beefed it up in the 44 mag version.
Right.
Yeah.
And so you've got a longer trigger that gives you better, better leverage. So you get even a lighter, smoother trigger pull than you get on the Python.
So do you believe that even the new one compared to an old one will have a lighter, smoother trigger pull?
Oh yeah,
because of the way that they've done it with the leaf springs now.
Yeah, the Colt engineers just hit a home run with that one.
Awesome. So we've went through in one of our TikTok videos here recently about even the internals, how they've done a phenomenal job making sure everything is clean, no rough edges, anything on them. They've really done a good job with that. So what else? What else have they really changed?
Well, you mentioned the sights. The front sight, instead of being pinned, now has a set screw at the front. So if you want night sights or a gold bead, you just loosen the set screw and pop it in.
You don't have to take it to a gunsmith anymore. It's something that you can technically do there at your house. So if you want something like you've seen before on even some of the older Colts or Smiths, a gold front sight, like a little gold bead, it's something you can put on there, a night sight, something along those lines. So Dave, what else? We've looked at it overall. It's in 44 mag. They have other things coming out in the market, or they actually have them already released. What are the other models that they have in the new Colt revolvers right now?
Well, the first one was the Cobra 38 Special, then the King Cobra in 357. Basically the same frame as the Cobra, but just beefed up. Then they came out with the Python, which everybody's been waiting for forever. And now the Anaconda. So I just can't wait to see what comes next.
Exactly, and they're doing a great job, guys. And not very often do you see somebody come out with a new product and it's better. In our case, it's better than what they used to make in some of the older versions. So they've really beefed it up. They put a better trigger on it. They've put better mechanics into them. Material overall, I believe, is actually better than what they used to actually have. Why are things so expensive then when you ask for an older Anaconda?
Well, people have got there's this many Anacondas, there's this many people with Colt collections that have a hole that needs filled.
Right.
So people will pay what they have to pay in order to fill that hole.
Thanks again for watching the rundown here at Top Gun South Terre Haute, Indiana, over the brand new Anaconda.
And if you've got any questions, just comment down below, and with luck, somebody will actually see the comment and respond.
Thanks, guys.